Hello everyone, welcome to the video today. My name is Hannah. Today I'm going to practice long sound E and short sound E. Now let's start together. The lesson 2, please serve the dinner. Now the first sound E. Now E sound is a long sound. Look at the diagram, listen and then say the sound. Make your mouth wide. Make your mouth wide. And like a smile. And your tongue touches the size of your teeth. Yeah. Now you say E. 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 Now, sound and spelling. Now, E usually spelled E, E, or E, A. Listen and say these words. See, see, see. Agree, agree, agree. Eat, eat, eat. Sit, sit, sit. Team, team, team. Now, other words with filled, filled, filled. Peace, peace, peace. Now, these, these, these. Meter, meter. Secret, secret, secret. Evening, evening, evening. Equal, equal, equal. Peter, Peter, Peter. Museum, museum, museum. European, European, European. Chinese, Chinese, Chinese. Japanese, Japanese, Japanese. Complete, complete, complete. Key, key, key. Yeah, all right. Ski, ski, ski. Kilo, kilo, kilo. Liter, no sorry, liter, liter, liter. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Police, police, police. Machine, machine, machine. Magazine, magazine, magazine. People, people, people. Now listen and say these sentences. You will need to pause the recording to give yourself enough time to repeat. Yeah, let's start. Number 1. Can you see the sea? Can you see the sea? Now, faster. Can you see the sea? Yeah, and number 2. A piece of pizza, please. A piece of pizza, please. A piece of pizza, please. Now, faster. A piece of pizza, please. Yeah, and number 3. Peter's in the team. Peter's in the team. And you can link inside Peter and in. Peter's in the team. Peter's in the team. Now, number 4. A kilo of peaches and a liter of cream. Now, sorry, again. Say again. A kilo of peaches and a liter of cream. A kilo of peaches and a liter of cream. Again, say again. A kilo of peaches and a liter of cream. Then number 5, the last one sentence. Please, can you teach me to speak Portuguese? Please, can you teach me to speak Portuguese? Please, can you teach me to speak Portuguese? Yeah, that's all for the long sound E. Yeah. And now the next short sound E. Yeah. In the short sound, look at the diagram, listen, and then say the sound. Make your mouth a bit less wide than for E. Your tongue is a bit further back in your mouth than for E. Now you can say I, 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 I. Now spelling and sound. It usually spelled I. Listen and say these words. If, if, if. Listen, listen, listen. Miss, miss, miss. Dinner, dinner, dinner. Swim, swim, swim. And other words, listen and say busy, busy, business, business, building, building, system, system. Now listen and say sentences. Listen and say these phrases. Number 1, 56, 56, 56. And number 2, dinner in the kitchen, dinner in the kitchen, dinner in the kitchen. And the next, a cinema ticket, a cinema ticket, a cinema ticket. Then number 4, a picture of building, a picture of building. A picture of the building, a picture of building. Now, and the last phrase is big business, big business, big business. Yeah, that's all for the long sound and short sound, E and E. Now, thank you for listening and see you in the next video. Goodbye.